Need to program a key fob for your 2004-2007 Infiniti QX56? You can do it yourself and save money. This video focuses on the DIY method using the vehicle's onboard system. Modern OBD2 scanners can help, but we'll focus on the manual method. First, ensure you have a working key and a new compatible key fob, available for $20 to $50. Get in your QX56, close all doors, and make sure you have a screwdriver to take apart the fob if needed to replace batteries. Keep in mind that OEM parts from Infiniti Nissan have become harder to source due to discontinued production, and be wary of cheap knockoffs. Insert and remove your existing key from the ignition 5 to 6 times within 10 seconds. This puts the car into programming mode. Press the lock or unlock button on the new key fob. This syncs the fob with the car's system. If programming multiple fobs, repeat this step for each fob. Test the functions of the new fob, lock, unlock, and panic button, to confirm it's working correctly. If the key needs to be cut and programmed by a dealer or locksmith due to being lost, note that the ECU stores rolling codes and will need to be accessed to perform this task. This DIY method reprograms only the remote functions, not the transponder. If issues persist, consult a professional.